you have ever asked yourself what life is, I would just like to share my testimony as to how I have come to understand it. It all started with the urge of wanting to learn the meaning of life, because to me it wouldn't be right to have a life without meaning. And so I kept searching for light, trying to find what we were not seeing. I left my ears and eyes no rest, yet I was still blind and deaf to the answer that would kill my stress, plagued by my worst fear. Why are we here, and how could we not know? After so many years, the thought alone drove me over to drugs and beer. I took the image of a thug from amongst my peers. It was clear I had to drown out that voice inside, cause to live a life not knowing why ate me alive. So I tried to forget about it, but when I came to, it all came back. There was no way I could get around it. I couldn't give up trying to figure out what it's all about. Life in itself called me out.
What is life? What do you really think it means? And every night, why do our minds proceed to dream? Cause deep inside, we all know there is something more to this life. It all depends on what you're searching for.
Compelled by my own ambitions, I never listened to the outcry of religion that I was often hit with, until I figured it wouldn't hurt a bit if I took a minute to find a bookstore and pay a visit. So I copped a few holy books and took the time to put my mind to the pages, only to find that through the ages so many lies have been created and spread throughout the world's places. But I'ma say that I found one that moved me. It made sense to my heart, and his words just pierced through me like nails, forced through my hands and feet, or a spear to my side. Man, it felt so alive. I never forget the way it all went. In the beginning, I have no regrets. With the time I spent reading, I have come to know why it is that I exist. The joy I now have is something you shouldn't miss.
What is life? What do you really think it means? And every night, why do our minds proceed to dream? Cause deep inside, we all know there is something more to this life. It all depends on what you're searching for.
I was 17 years old when I accepted Christ, and that was the greatest choice I ever made in my life. From then on, everything began to get a little brighter. God took me under his wings and made me wiser. Little by little, he showed me the meaning of life, and step by step, he brought me closer to the light. Then piece by piece, every section of the puzzle fit, so no religious practices could ever muzzle it. The Lord gave me a strong heart and a solid mind. On his wings I ride until the end of time. No longer will I rely or abide in anyone less than the Most High, my God. It is within him I found the truth to this life, and for him I'm inside the booth with this mic, trying to bring truth to the world, from grown men and women down to every young boy and girl.
What is life? What do you really think it means? And every night, why do our minds proceed to dream? Cause deep inside, we all know there is something more to this life. It all depends on what you're searching for. What is life? What do you really think it means? And every night, why do our minds proceed to dream? Cause deep inside, we all know there is something more to this life. It all depends on what you're searching for.